This is just a quick unboxing video for a Philips Hue white ambience extension bulb. As you can see, it's the white ambience kind, which means that you can have different hues of white light, either blue or more of a yellow light. It's a B22 fitment, so this will fit most normal light fittings. And the packaging itself is actually well packaged, as it always is with Philips, with the branding on the top and the hook, barcode on the bottom. On the side you've got the energy rating. This is an A+ rating here. Information on the back, and on the other side we've also got further information. So this particular model is a 9.5 watt LED light bulb, which is the equivalent to a 60 watt light bulb. And of course you can control this using a smartphone or smart speakers as well. And you will need to download the Philips Hue app. So let's get right into it. So when we open the box itself, as with most, we've got the plastic hook. Again, don't need that at the moment. And the bulb is well packaged in recyclable card. You've got the Philips Hue instructions. Again, this is a one-pager in various different languages. Put that to one side for now. And on the inside of the box packaging, you've got the actual cardboard. Let's get rid of that to reveal the bulb itself. As you can see, it's fairly simple in terms of a bulb. It's a plastic top and standard fitment on there. You've got the information on the back here, and then the name of it on the front. Thank you very much for watching.